In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset Oppo phone. And I will also tell you one important settings. If you don't do it before resetting your phone, that time you will get trouble after resetting your phone. So let's start the process. So first of all, you will need to go to your phone settings option for resetting your phone. So first of all, the hidden settings will be, you will need to go to your user accounts, and after that you need to remove your this Google account, because if you don't remove your Google account, that time it will appear after resetting your phone. So just click here your this Google account, then click here this three dot line, then click here remove account, and then click here remove account, and after that you can do factory reset. So for resetting your phone, you will need to just get back in the bottom, and after that you can see in their system and update, and then you can see backup and reset, then click here reset this option, then you will see erase all data. But if you don't find this option in your phone, I mean user system and update, just you need to search here factory reset. Just search this, either search only reset, and then you can see reset phone. So you need to click here reset phone this option, then click here erase all data, and then give here your password. So after giving your password, you can see permanently clear all data. So factory reset will delete everything. I mean your apps, your contacts, your photos, every single thing. So before resetting your phone, just make sure you back up this file. Okay. So after that, if I click here clear this option, that time my phone will be reset and it will be like a new phone. So that's it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can reset your Oppo phone easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.